Hi, I'm Regina. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this tray and wall mirror using canvas. We're gonna start with the wall mirror. I'll be using this round canvas that I got from Amazon. It has a diameter of 60 centimeters. Now I'm gonna remove the canvas because I want to use the wooden part only, and this process is easy. You need a scissors and then use your hands to pull the canvas apart. And this is what I have, guys. I also wanted a black edge wall mirror, so I'm gonna use a single coat of black spray paint on this wood. Just a single coat, so it dried instantly. Next we have to glue down this mirror. I bought it from a bus glass and it also has a diameter of 60 centimeters. As we wait for the glue to cure, here I have these amazing kitchen backsplash tiles. As you can see, they mix 2 by 2 inches and 2 by 6 inches pieces. But for this project, I'll be using the 2 by 6 inches mirror pieces. These tiles are available in Dubai, and for my USA subscribers, I got something similar online. These white mirror tiles, 2 by 6 inches. The store name is Mineral Tiles LLC. You can see the information right here. I'm gonna arrange them down to make the design that I want. And for this design, I got my inspiration from Instagram. I'm glad they fit well. Now start gluing them down using Polymax glue. Just apply 3 dots of glue at the back of the tile and then press it down on its place. We are done, guys. I will leave the glue to cure for some minutes. So let's move on to project number 2. Now here I have a 30 centimeter round canvas. I'm gonna use this to make the tray. The procedure here is almost the same as the first one, so I don't want to talk that much. I will leave any important information on the screen. This is a tambourine. I used this for the chandelier project, but I no longer have it, so I'm gonna reuse it to make this tray.